I'm also preparing the most impressive antipasto platter this side of Naples. So what we're gonna do is take our grill, I got like a little tabletop grill, and we're gonna start to heat this up and add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to this, just so it starts to warm up a little bit and get kind of smoky, right? Because grilled vegetables really like a nice fat, right? So the olive oil is gonna be really nice, and as they start to cook, it's also gonna take on sort of a roasted, caramelized flavor too, which is gonna be really good. And we've got some simple vegetables. It doesn't take anything really fancy to have a nice antipasto platter. It's all about the technique. So we got some red peppers here. We got zucchini, and we got eggplant. And what we're gonna do is just gonna start to slice this stuff up. Now I got my knife. All right, want some nice big circles. You don't want anything too thick. All right, so you want this stuff to kind of cook nice and evenly, right? So we're gonna take our eggplant. It's gonna take the longest to cook, so we can get this on the grill first. Kind of spread it out so everything has some really good contact time with the grill, so it's nice and caramelized. Has a really great flavor to it. So we got some wonderful stuff here. We got some San Daniele ham. We got some delicious grilled vegetables. We've got some wonderful California cheeses. We've got a hard dry jack cheese. We've got a wonderful Mount Ham triple cream. This stuff is fabulous. We've also got a truffle trimmer. Run, don't walk. It's really fantastic. And also some olives are tossed, a little bit of olive oil and chili. So you get a little everything, salty, sweet, savory. And this is also what I'm really in love with too. Like I came up with this a couple months ago, but it's toasted pine nuts, right? And then what we're gonna do is take a little bit of orange blossom honey and just drizzle this right on top, all right? And you wanna make sure the pan's still kind of hot so the nut oils and the orange blossom honey just start to work together. All right, perfect. That smells absolutely delicious, and it's gonna be really nice with our antipasto platter. With our antipasto platter here, I'm gonna make one more quick little thing. And this is sort of like a creamy component to put on top of our crunchy toasted grilled bread. It's ricotta cheese, okay? So we're gonna take a ricotta cheese. This is whole milk ricotta cheese. It's pretty dry. And we're gonna take this and put this into a bowl here. And this is a really great recipe I've been playing around with. It's absolutely delicious. And we take some fresh mint. And we're gonna take some fresh mint and strip it into the ricotta cheese. Leave the leaves sort of whole so you can see what they are. And then what we're gonna do is take a little bit of salt and pepper, and we're gonna season this up. And then also take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. All right, and just kind of stir the whole thing together. And then this is gonna go into a bowl here, right in the middle of everything. So you've got some nice counterpoints, right? You've got something crispy, you got something creamy, you got some really delicious hard cheeses, and you got something that's really smooth that you can sort of put over top of our crusty bread. And this you gotta check out. So I'm just gonna do 2 little turns here, kind of mix in the mint. And then we're gonna take all of this with one swoop. Go right in the middle of our bowl here. Isn't that beautiful? Those mint leaves sticking out. And then we're gonna take our toasted pine nuts and our orange blossom honey. We're just gonna pour this right on top. How good does that look? Isn't that awesome? People come by for a pizza party, they're not gonna forget it, all right? So I am absolutely starving. I'm gonna put a little bit of balsamic vinegar on top of our grilled vegetables. Make sure you dress these up too. And you got a beautiful platter. This is how you put together a pizza party, ladies and gentlemen.